is, I think, as important in democracy as a ruling government. So the Congress has been given the mandate to check and balance inside of Parliament and outside of Parliament, and that's factually proven. The data says it all.
United opposition, you say. As I understand it, the opposition coalition is a sort of ragbag grouping of, 28 different political parties and movements. What is the coherent united vision that binds you beyond hoping to defeat the BJP?
You see, we have come together because we felt that in India, the constitutional bodies, the functioning, the transparency, the credibility, all of them was under a question mark. And we wanted to make sure that a 70-year history of nourishing these institutions remains. There is no question mark for the future. And that's important to all of us who hold institutions in very high regard. So we came together. In a democracy, we fight elections to win. And to be able to better govern, to provide an alternate form of government, to have a blueprint for next 5 years, what you want to do. So we in the Congress party had a manifesto that I think resonated with the people of India. And that's why my party and the alliance members did fairly well.
Mr. Modi is now beginning an historic third term. What practically can you, in this, as you put it, united opposition, do to change Modi's political direction?
I think time will tell what kind of a prime minister he turns out to be in the third term.
But he's talking about consensus.
Well, we'll have to see. Let's see what happens. But I think the numbers in the opposition are such that the single-handed decision-making, no discussions, no debates, no deliberations, that can't go on. This will be a different parliament. The numbers are stacked up pretty much evenly. It's not one-sided. And more than that, I think the vigor and the energy in the opposition ranks has really come forward. And that will change many of the political landscapes from what we've seen in the last few years.
Well, let's talk about a key element of the Modi vision, and that is the so-called Hindutva vision. That is essentially making India a majoritarian